This forum is a great opportunity for our business community leaders to actually focus a little bit more specifically in Davos on what's happening here in Russia. The economy, the social issues and the like, and how does that actually affect the Russian citizens, the businesses that are trying to invest in Russia, as well as the role of Russia on a global economy.
Russia and India have been very close partners in areas of defense and heavy equipment and nuclear energy, etc. I would like to hear more on the consumer segment. There is very little partnership between India and Russia in the consumer segment. Our trade is under $10 billion.